Don't you just love the perfect poached egg? Look at that. All right. Well, watch the video, hit subscribe, and give us a thumbs up, because you're going to love this. After this, you're never going to get a poached egg wrong ever again in your life. So let's get stuck in. Now, as you can see, I've just popped a couple of eggs into a ramekin, and it'll make it easier to put 2 in at a time into the boiling water. And I've got some white wine vinegar, which basically keeps the egg together. So that's all you need. Now, the first thing you need to do is to bring a big pan of water to the boil and add the white wine vinegar, roughly about a tablespoon's worth. Set your timer for 3 minutes, and if you do it any more than this, you will not get a perfect poached egg. And then take a big spoon and gently start stirring until you create a whirlpool. Drop your eggs in there. And start your timer. Okay, they've had their 3 minutes, so let's take them out. Well, there's one. Strain the water off. Pop it on your toast. There's another one. Check out that beauty. And get that one on your toast. Alright, let's open these up and see what they're like. And that is how you achieve poached egg perfection. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and if you like poached eggs, hit the hype. Give it some hype, it really helps the video. And leave a comment. What's your favourite type of egg?